Today we are going to talk about home warranty reviews and can you trust them? So can you? Let's talk about it. One thing to consider when looking for reviews about a particular home warranty company is to see if their Google page is turned on so people can leave a review. I'm not talking about a Google Plus page, but their actual business info and finder information that should pop up when you Google a business. Google will allow the business to turn on reviews or leave them off. To me, if a company has this function turned off so people can't leave a review or view other people's reviews, then this should raise a red flag when deciding to do business with this particular warranty company. Another reason I really like Google over some of the other sites is because you have to have an account with Google to leave a review. And they also have some of their own techniques to verify if the person leaving the review actually has an active account. The second location I tell our interested home warranty clients to check is the Better Business Bureau. Most everyone is familiar with the Better Business Bureau, and they also have a verification process as well to make sure people who are leaving reviews about that business are actual customers of the business they are reviewing. I know this because Home Membership is a member of the Better Business Bureaus ourselves, and sometimes when people leave us a review, they will actually notify us and we have to confirm that that person is an actual client. Overall, this leads to honest reviews about a particular company and it allows you to make an educated decision when making the right choice for your home warranty provider. There are many review sites online, but the two I mentioned just now are the best places to start when trying to find a good, honest, verified review. If you would like to see some of our reviews concerning home membership, please visit our website at homemembership.com and simply scroll down to see our reviews link. We also have our Better Business Bureau active link that will show you all active reviews and our overall rating with the BBB in real time. I hope this video will help you in deciding which home warranty company is the best for your family.